We at Walmart. You already know. Eskimo coming through. What's up, y'all? We got this ball though. I mean, Eskimo throwing it. We're just going in. Eskimo Spider-Man right now. Let's see if we can catch it though. Emo. Noise. I'll drop it though. Let's go though. Emo. We're gonna show him the bird. Let's go show him the bird. Alright, y'all. No hands, this is kind of shaky because we're on my phone. But we're about to show you guys this bird that we saw at Walmart. Here comes Emo. Oh, shit. Shit, bro. At the barber chairs, though. Hey, y'all, I want y'all to meet my girlfriend. We based right here. She a brat, though. To be honest, look, she a brat.
Getting all that dome.
But she gave me that dome like y'all don't even know, though.
Neck dinners.
Look at this. Look at different flavors. Y'all don't know. And then she keep her hair clean. You don't even know. Y'all don't base like that. Y'all don't got women like me. Look at all these. Look at all these women I got right here. Woo. I even got some pets. I got this little dog, little cat, little gerbil. But watch the bird though. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Watch. Oh shit! You almost took me out. Look at this bird though, bro. Look at this bird though. Alright, bro. We about to get out though. I think we're about to get in trouble, bro. We're out, bro. We're out.